Tila Pranam and Deechaf Namaskar to everyone and look forward to interacting with you. From now onwards, you will be able to understand complex and inorganic aspects of energy laws, which I will discuss in my YouTube channel. So हर दिन 5 बजे एक छोटा सा वीडियो आएगा एंड धीरे धीरे हम जितनी भी पॉलिसीज हैं, सोलर पॉलिसीज और ईवी पॉलिसीज एंड जो भी नए स्टैंडर्ड्स बनते हैं, रेगुलेशंस बनते हैं, वो डिस्कस करेंगे यूट्यूब चैनल में. There are 4 methods of inorganic growth in India. Let us discuss what are these 1, 2, 3 and 4 methods. First method of inorganic growth वो आया था IBC route से, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016. The financial condition of any power plant is weak and it is going for insolvency. In that case, you can seize that opportunity and acquire that company. It is like sale. एक तो नॉर्मल मार्केट में आपको कपड़ा मिलता है, देन जब सेल लगी होती है तो आप you buy extra clothes. Similarly, it is like IBC is like sale. All right. अब उसके जो एग्जांपल है, so for example 2019 में NHPC National Hydropower Corporation acquired 500 megawatts of Teesta 6 hydropower project. It was through insolvency and bankruptcy code route. Similarly, in 2020, NHPC Limited also acquired Jal Power Corporation 120 megawatts, which is called Rangit 4. Recently, the government has declared 6 lakh crore asset monetization program, wherein Government of India has advised central PSUs against taking over private stressed asset or other brownfield project. So अभी मैंने NHPC का एग्जांपल दिया, लेकिन अब गवर्नमेंट ने ये एडवाइस करा है कि प्राइवेट असेट्स जो हैं, जो स्ट्रेस्ड हैं, उनकी एक्विजिशन CPSUs नहीं करेंगे. So it is an open door for all the private companies acquire companies through insolvency and bankruptcy code route. So first is insolvency and bankruptcy code route. Second route is called M&A, merger and acquisition route. Merger and acquisition route आता है Companies Act के अंदर 2003. So in Companies Act there is a chapter which is called Chapter 15, Compromises, Arrangements and Amalgamation. So if there is a company on offer, you can purchase that company or acquire that company using this method, Chapter 15 of the Companies Act. It is Section 230 to Section 240. So Power Finance Corporation है, उसने Rural Electrification Corporation को acquire करा. It was through Companies Act, merger and acquisition. So second route, if it is a friendly activity, जब आप there is a company on sale and you want to acquire it, it is through Companies Act, merger and acquisition. Third method of acquiring a power company is through SARFAESI Act. So SARFAESI Act का मतलब है, and the full form of SARFAESI Act is the Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interests Act 2002. यहाँ पे जब भी कोई पावर कंपनी एक नॉन परफॉर्मिंग असेट हो जाती है बैंक के लिए, देन द बैंक डज फोरक्लोजर. फोरक्लोजर का मतलब ये है कि इसका ऑक्शन हो जाता है पावर प्लांट का. रिसेंटली पावर प्लांट का जो ऑक्शन चल रहा है वो है भद्रेश्वर विद्युत प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. उसको स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ऑक्शन कर रही है. 100 करोड़ का रिजर्व प्राइस रखा गया है एंड ई ऑक्शन में ऑल द पावर कंपनीज हु वांट टू एक्वायर भद्रेश्वर विद्युत प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कैन एक्वायर दैट प्लांट. I don't know exactly what is the stage of the procedure of bank auction, but this company came into for bank auction from SBI. So this third method is called foreclosure method under SARFAESI Act 2002. There is a fourth method also, and fourth is power reforms. So power reforms are provided in Chapter 13 of Electricity Act, Section 131 to 134, wherein the state governments who are owners of state electricity boards can do unbundling, and after unbundling they can do privatization also. In that procedure a transfer scheme is made, and in that transfer schemes any bidder who wants to take over the transmission, generation, distribution of the state electricity board can acquire that. So one of the examples of it is not exactly Electricity Act 2003, but Electricity Act 2003 के बाद Delhi Electricity Reforms Act आया था 2000. The provisions of Delhi Electricity Reforms Act 2000 was also incorporated in Electricity Act. उसमें एक scheme बनाई गई, and then you see BSES Rajdhani, BSES Yamuna and North Delhi Power Limited working as discoms in Delhi. So there are four methods of inorganic growth. First method is bankruptcy route under Insolvency and Bankruptcy Act 2016. Second method is merger and acquisition under Companies Act 2013. Third method is foreclosure method under SURFACI Act 2002, where in an auction of a power plant, you can acquire the power plant. Fourth method is through power reforms under Electricity Act 2003, Chapter 13. So these are the four methods of acquiring a power company in India and growing your company inorganically.